Lecture number 14. Adding comments and tracking changes. Imagine working on a group project or submitting a paper for review. Without a clear way to provide feedback or track edits, collaboration can become confusing. Microsoft Word offers two powerful tools, comments and track changes, to help writers and reviewers work together effectively. Comments allow users to add notes without altering the main text, while track changes highlights edits so that they can be reviewed before being accepted or rejected. These features make the editing process smoother and more organized. Today, we will learn how to add comments, track edits, and manage revisions in Microsoft Word. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to insert and reply to comments for document collaboration, enable and use track changes to monitor edits, accept or reject changes to finalize the document. Adding and managing comments. Comments are useful for providing feedback without changing the original text, asking questions or suggesting improvements in collaborative writing, reviewing a document without altering content directly. For example, we have a paragraph in here like this, alright, and select the text where you want to add a note. For example, I just want to add a comment at the end of this paragraph. We'll go to the review tab, click in here, and you have option as new comment. We'll click on that. Here you can add a comment. For example, I just want to add a comment as this word should be replaced with earth. Alright, and we'll just click outside the comment box to save it. Here you can see a box which shows that anyone in the team has made a comment to suggest or to improve the document file. Alright, we'll just click on that, and to reply that we'll just have to click on this reply, and we can just type this. We'll just write acknowledge. It shows that I have read this comment and I'll try to resolve this issue as soon as possible. So this is how we can reply to a comment as well. The next we have how to delete a comment. To delete a comment, we'll just have to click on the comment box, alright, and we'll just right click on this comment, alright, the first comment that we made, and here is the option called delete comment. We'll click on that and the comment box has been gone as we have just deleted it. So this is how comments and notes work in a Microsoft Word. Next we have tracking changes in a document. Track changes highlights all edits made to a document, allowing the original author to review them before making permanent updates. It is helpful for editing drafts without losing original content, collaborating on reports, essays, or business documents, tracking revisions over time. We'll go to the review tab. Alright, here we have an option called track changes. We'll click on that and click on the track changes option button. We'll click on that as well. Now any insertion, deletions, or formatting changes will now be recorded. Alright, so for example, I just want to change this text as it was commented, as we have to replace this word as earth. Alright, now you can see this red line shows that we are making changes to this specific line of the document. So this is how word is tracking are working in the document file. Once track changes is enabled, edits will appear in red with underlines for additions or strike throughs for deletions. For example, I just delete this text. You can see we'll click on that and it will be as underlined as we have just replaced it, and we have deleted this text, so this is a strike through. Alright, to review changes, click on the change in the document, alright, as we have done it, and use the accept or reject button in the review tab to keep it or discard the edit. For example, I just want to accept this one but not this one, so we'll just click in here and we'll just reject it. Alright, and it will be replaced as a simple text, but I just want to accept this one, so we'll just click in here and accept this change. So the word has been changed to earth. To turn off track changes, click the track changes button again. So if we don't want word to track our working anymore, so we'll just click in here and click on the track changes. So now the changes or the deletion will not be recorded by the word anymore. So this is how adding comments